Yeah, my wonderful people out there now. This is Kevin O'Clock News. Today for the news, I want to share an experience, something that I experienced in Germany. I entered the train from one city to another city. Something can happen. This will happen. Mona just tell me the truth. If na me mess up or fuck up, Mona tell me. Understand? Especially for people there for diaspora. Because me, na visitor I know they live for here. Now I entered this.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi Kelvin Ikeduba ìṣẹ̀wẹ̀ mọ arákùnrin náà tí a mọ̀ sí Kelvin Ikeduba ó ti jáde wá sọ experience rẹ̀ ní ìlú Germany. Ó sọ wípé ṣé òun ló ń jẹ̀bi nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó sọ tàbí òun kọ́ ló jẹ̀bi nípa experience ọ̀hún. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ lórí ètò wa níbí ó ti yá gbìyànjú láti wò láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ìparí.
When I entered the train, I moved from one city to another. When I entered the train, I come find out everybody for the train are white. Everybody now white. You know that kind, wow, what did happen? So they just look me like, say, this black guy, just walk out from one coach to the other, just walk out. You know, just look like, say, this black boy. You know, as their way be now. Only me be the black, all of a sudden, I can't see one black guy. The guy sit down. You see that kind of relief of, say, okay, I don't see somebody like me, what did happen? I just wave the guy, smile. If you see as this guy bone, he bone me like, say, in a white. I felt bad, you know, but I don't look and say, well, with the concern me, naturally, Kevin, they send. I just come out, go stay where I stay. To cut the long story short, two of us can't stop for the same city. As we come down, I don't know the problem we get with one white boy. All of a sudden, a slap while here with the white boy give him. Then the white boy friends that we did, they all start to the rough handle and anyhow. You understand? So as a black guy with there around there, you understand? I noticed say some other white guys and some other white people, they look me whether based on black, I go pull and say, okay, I want to do this guy like this or like that. But because of that, it don't happen. And because of that, I be visitor, I proceed, I just face my own way, jeje. So now, this thing what I do, somehow, some way, you get as they do me for body, based on say, Kevin, you fuck up, or no be you be this. But at the same time, I just consider, say, man, no be my place, no be where they live. So at the very good moment, I tell me the truth. This is what I do. Now, fuck up as I don't help the guy. I'll be good as I face my own way. Kevin O'Clock News. God bless you all. Thanks.